Let me introduce you to my party people in the club. Tonight we gon' be it on the floor. Tonight we gon' be it on the floor.
May girlfriend ka na?
Sana ikaw. Kasi ikaw yung hanap ko. Ikaw gusto mo.
Mukhang may sayat ko. Next! Wait lang, wait lang. Tubig. Tubig. Gusto mo tubig? Hindi, no need. Come on! 1, 2, 3, go! Galing Ilakman kayo. Gusto kayo wala mga chowa itong mga tuwing. Gamit nyo.
Pero, ate.
Kaya mo yan. I need my love. Peace. Yes. Nag-kiss ba? Hindi pa. Ito. Oh, nakita na naman nag-kiss kami, no? Okay. Kiss.
Dito wala pa.
Kiss. Okay, kiss. Ha? Wait lang. Stop music. What? Beso lang. Oo naman. Ano bang ginawa namin, laplapan? Okay, kiss. Ayaw mo pero nakahawa ka eh, no? Oo. Isa, humalik ka na. Ginugusto mong umakyat, maharot ka, di ba? Single ka naman, huwag ka na maarte. Okay. 1, 2, 3! Hindi ako happy. One more.
I'm like Inception, I play with your brain, so don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused, no. Cause you will lose, yeah. Now pump it up and back it up like a Tonka truck. Darling.
If you go hard, you gotta